Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Montgomery, Alabama. We have blue skies. We're all yes, the weatherman. I was actually going to be the flight attendant, right? We have clear skies till we hit Tampa. I think Tampa's going to have some rain, but we'll see. Anyway, Mama Badger's getting her strap on, and I'm loaded. And we're about ready to head out of here. It's like 7 a.m. Well, a little after 7 a.m. We're supposed to be out of here at 7 a.m. But, I mean, it's us. So, the fact that we're out here 10 minutes after 7 is doing pretty good. Anywho, it's a full day today. But we're like 100 miles closer than our ride up here. So, we only have like 560 miles today. Shouldn't be that bad of a day. Hopefully, we can stay relatively dry and be home tonight, all safe and sound in our warm, cozy beds. But I just have to wait for her to get ready. Are you ready yet? Putting on the layers? You putting on your rain suit?
Well, and a flannel.
Mama's always cold.
I never am sweating. I'm always cold.
Definitely two different temperatures in our household. Anyway, I gotta go drop off this cart and get ready to roll, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so we made it a quarter of a mile for our first stop. It's the Nat King Cole mural memorial that Mama Badger just had to stop at, so here we are.
It's all Desiree Windroad's fault.
We're here. It's Windroad's fault. Thanks, Windroad. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Mama appreciates it anyway.
Yep, you should be proud. He did it.
Here we go. I stopped just for you. Congratulations. Let's go see the sign. All right, guys, I'm gonna hit the sign. You guys can pause it to read about it. Here you go. All right, we're gonna take a picture and then we're gonna hit the road. All right, first stop of the day. This is Troy, Alabama. Filled up, and we have 502 miles to go. So I guess we better hit the road. We'll see you at the next day. Well, guess where we're at? You wanna know? You wanna know? Oh, we're back home. Welcome to Florida. Mama Badger just like parks wherever she wants. She don't care. Mama Badger don't give a shit. She wants to get her a picture of her bike in front of the sign. Surprised she didn't just pull on the sidewalk like she owns the place.
There's a curb.
There's a curb blocking her. All right. Whew, I get to lose the helmet. I'm happy about that. All right, onward and upward. All right, we're in Tallahassee. It's time for some lunch. Are you hungry? We're going to Sonny's Barbecue. We're going to Sonny's Barbecue. I'm gonna have some ribs. It's the only place I like the ribs. So we're gonna go here, eat. We don't have one in our town anymore. It closed down, so we're gonna eat at this one. And then we'll continue our ride. Only like 300 and 400 miles, something like that, left to go. We have 184 miles left. We'll probably stop one more time for gas and a short break. It says we'll be home at 6:30.
Is that without the break?
What?
That's without the break.
That's without the break. So 6:45, 7 o'clock, depends on how long she takes.
Yeah, thanks.
Away we meet us for supper. What you doing over there? We have arrived. Welcome home. Welcome home, honey. I think she's done. Anyway, we're gonna grab some Chinese food and hopefully see Nerdy Badger, and then we're gonna go home, which we're not far from the house. So.
What about all that destruction?
What about all that destruction? What destruction?
From here to Alabama.
Oh yeah, all the storm destruction?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was lots of trees and stuff down. Laying, like, was across the road and they had to move it off the road or cut it off the road. Yep, craziness. It chased us last time. We made it again, all the way through Florida without getting rained on.
You're right, I didn't even think about that.
We made it today all the way here without like even a chance of rain, which never happens.
No.
We're always like racing the rain.
Yeah.
So, wow, unique. Let's go eat. All right, y'all, that is a wrap. And what better way to end it than seeing happy puppies? Hi, nurse. There's a happy puppy. There's a happy puppy. Yeah, look at her. She's all happy to see us. So, happy puppies. Now it's time to get this video all edited and go to bed. Anything you want to add? Any ending, parting words you have for the fans, Ange?
Parting words.
Parting words. Not partying words, like let's get drunk or anything, but parting words.
I'm done.
Mama is so done. I told her not to even unpack, just to go jump in the shower and then go jump in bed. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get the video done and then we'll call it quits for the day. We'll see y'all like tomorrow when we feel less done.